Dear audience, welcome back to our channel. In the maintenance and care of automobiles, tire replacement is undoubtedly an important step. Many car owners may have a question when facing tire replacement: why not replace all 4 tires at once? The reasons behind this actually involve multiple factors, including tire wear conditions, vehicle usage, cost considerations, and tire replacement strategies. Now, let's delve into this issue and uncover its secrets. Tire wear often presents unevenness due to driving habits, road conditions, and tire alignment. Therefore, the wear condition of the 4 tires may differ. If all tires are replaced uniformly, it may prematurely retire tires that have not worn out completely, which is actually an unnecessary expense. The reasonable approach is to arrange replacement based on the actual wear level of each tire. Typically, once the tread depth of a tire drops below 1.6 mm, it should be considered for replacement. Additionally, if significant uneven wear or damage is found on any tire, it should be replaced immediately. When implementing replacement, priority should be given to replacing severely worn tires to ensure the stability and safety of the vehicle's operation. The usage environment and manner of the vehicle significantly affect the determination of when to replace tires. For example, vehicles that frequently traverse poor road environments, such as off-road vehicles and heavy machinery frequently active in construction sites, tend to have faster tire wear rates, meaning these vehicles need more frequent tire replacements. In contrast, ordinary passenger cars mainly driven on urban roads have relatively slow tire wear, so there is no need to replace all 4 tires at once. Moreover, the driving habits of the driver also influence the tire wear condition. For instance, frequent aggressive or improper driving habits such as rapid acceleration, emergency braking, or sharp turns will accelerate tire wear. Therefore, drivers should strive to maintain a smooth driving style in daily driving to help extend the tire's lifespan and reduce the need for premature replacement due to wear. From a financial perspective, replacing all 4 tires at once undoubtedly brings a significant financial burden. This is especially true for drivers with limited budgets, as replacing all tires at once may put significant pressure on their finances. Therefore, gradually replacing tires has become a more cost-effective solution. This method not only helps alleviate the driver's financial pressure but also allows for planning replacement timing based on the actual wear of the tires. This ensures the safe operation of the vehicle while avoiding unnecessary expenses and waste. When planning tire replacement, owners should consider multiple important factors. This includes not only the degree of tire wear, the frequency of vehicle usage, and budgetary issues, but also factors such as tire brand, size, and performance characteristics. Carefully selecting high-quality tire brands and the correct specifications matching the vehicle is crucial to ensuring driving stability and safety. Furthermore, selecting tires with corresponding performance according to the vehicle's operational needs and frequently traveled road conditions can further enhance driving comfort and fuel efficiency. After replacing the tires, vehicle drivers should pay attention to some important matters. First, it is necessary to check whether the new tires are compatible with other components of the vehicle, such as the wheels and suspension system, which is crucial to ensure smooth driving. Second, regular inspections of tire pressure and tread depth should be conducted to help identify and address potential safety risks early on. Furthermore, maintenance should not be neglected. Regular tire cleaning and minimizing contact with harmful chemicals can help extend the tire's lifespan. After delving into the reasons why tires should not be replaced all at once, we can come to a comprehensive understanding. This understanding is not only based on an understanding of tire wear patterns but also takes into account the specific usage environment of the vehicle, budget constraints, and strategic tire management methods. Obviously, as the only contact point between the vehicle and the road surface, the condition of the tires directly affects driving safety. Therefore, when deciding when and how to replace tires, owners must fully consider these factors. When formulating a tire replacement plan, owners need to assess the degree of wear of each tire to avoid a decrease in vehicle handling due to uneven wear. It is generally recommended to replace tires one pair at a time based on the actual wear condition of the tires and the recommendations of the vehicle manufacturer. Additionally, regular tire rotation can help balance tire wear and extend the overall lifespan of the tires. At the same time, we must not overlook the daily maintenance and care of tires. This includes regularly checking tire pressure to ensure they are filled with the proper amount of air, neither overinflated nor underinflated, removing foreign objects from the tires, such as nails or glass shards, and checking whether the tread depth of the tires meets legal requirements. Through these measures, we can significantly extend the lifespan of tires and ensure driving safety. When considering tire replacement, choosing reliable brands and high-quality products is crucial. A good tire not only provides better traction and durability, but also brings higher fuel efficiency and a more comfortable driving experience. Investing in high-quality tires means saving money in the long run, as such tires are less prone to unexpected damage, thereby reducing the frequency and cost of emergency repairs. It is worth emphasizing that tire replacement and maintenance are important components of daily vehicle maintenance. We should regard it as a long-term investment to ensure that our cars can continue to provide us with safe, stable, and economical driving experiences. This investment is not only reflected in monetary terms, but also in our attention to vehicle performance and reliability. Through regular maintenance and timely tire replacement, we can ensure that the vehicle's performance is fully realized and reduce the risk of traffic accidents. In conclusion, understanding and practicing the correct tire management and replacement strategies will help us take care of our cars more wisely and efficiently. This not only concerns our personal safety, but also the well-being of other road users. Therefore, let us consider tire replacement and maintenance as part of our responsibility for our own, passengers, and public safety, and always adhere to the highest standards in executing it. Finally, I'll summarize today's video, hoping it has been insightful and valuable to you. As a seasoned blogger in the field of vehicle maintenance, I deeply understand the importance of tire replacement for driving safety. Through in-depth discussions of the reasons and strategies for tire replacement, we can not only better understand the patterns of tire wear but also develop more scientifically reasonable replacement plans to ensure the safety and performance of vehicles. From uneven tire wear and vehicle usage conditions to economic considerations, every aspect deserves our careful consideration and research. As vehicle owners, we should not only pay attention to the timing of tire replacement but also focus on the daily maintenance and care of tires to ensure their long-term stable performance. Choosing the right tire brand and specifications can not only improve driving stability and safety but also bring us a more comfortable driving experience. Therefore, regarding tire replacement, we should remain vigilant and take scientifically reasonable measures based on actual conditions to keep our cars in optimal condition, providing us with a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Feel free to share in the comments section. That's it for today's video. See you next time for more exciting content. Goodbye for now.